Hello, welcome back.
Hey there everyone, how's it going?
We are back with more Metroid!
So last time we were getting the, let me see. Oh, yeah, that's right.
We got the long beam, the charge beam, the ice beam.
The morph ball, the power grip.
Bombs.
We have some bombs and some missile expansions, of course.
Yep. Now we should probably go to Kraid, because that's where our next one is pointing us.
Ah, yeah.
Which is down.
Whoop. No, come on. There we go. Let's see. Oh yeah, Kraid down. I can. Kraid's down there.
Yeah.
Okay. So everyone, I actually have been playing this on my own time, and I'm currently pretty far with it actually. I believe I'm at a point to where I had, let's see, I had just gotten the screw attack.
Nice. So at least you know what you're doing where to go.
Yeah.
Secrets.
Oh shit! Don't burn. And yeah. There are secret crevices everywhere.
Nice.
One other thing I should mention is, this game was actually made with, let's see. This game was actually made with secrets breaking in mind. So every area here has, every area here has some little shortcuts here and there to get to further places or late game areas.
Nice.
Oh shit!
What's up?
I went the wrong way.
Uh-oh.
Let's see.
I recently started playing Metroid Dread, and I haven't gotten much further than it. Never really got into.
If I remember, you were stuck on an Emmy.
Yep. Nice. Wonder if there's Metroid pinball.
There is.
Nice.
I used to own it on DS.
Nice.
It was called Metroid Prime Pinball. And is it? In some cases, you're actually fighting some of the bosses from Metroid Prime itself.
Nice. Was it actual, like, normal pinball, like the stuff you used to have on old computers, or was
Yes,
it?
yes,
Oh,
it
okay.
was.
I was gonna say, or is it like Metroid Prime, just kind of pinballish, if that makes sense. So you kind of, it's like third-person view, but you're just stuck in your morph ball form, and you end up just rolling through certain areas and things.
Oh no, it was straight up pinball.
Oh, nice.
Let's see. Haha!
Aha! What does that do? Ooh! Very nice. Uh-oh.
Oh ho! Ah, God! Ah. That freaky arm.
It's a big worm!
Say hello to my big Willie.
I eat because I'm unhappy.
And I'm unhappy because I eat.
It's a vicious cycle. That's what I need to get in Metroid Prime. Or not Metroid Prime yet. Metroid Dread is morph ball form.
Oh, you get it a bit later.
Yeah, I figured. Nice.
Get out of the.
Out of the acid. At least I think it's acid.
It is.
I was gonna say that's some weird lava if it is.
No, actually, take it back. Actually, is lava.
Are you serious?
Yes.
I'm just gonna call it acid because that looks like acid. I mean, I can understand why it's lava, but that looks more like acid to me.
Time for a fill up. back to where it was before.
Aha. Oh, nice. Nice. Simple enough. Hey, congratulations, you got more missiles.
Indeed. Everything here's a puzzle.
Of course.
Okay.
Why not use the launcher for that?
Oh yeah.
Yay, missile tanks.
Let's see. Oh wait.
Okay, out of all the versions of Samus's arm cannon that you've seen throughout years and years of Metroid,
Yeah.
which one would you take?
I'd probably go with the one she has in Prime 3.
And what one does that? What does that one do? Wait, what? Okay. Yeah, there we go. Anyway, what does that one do again? Is that the light and dark?
No, it's actually 2.
Well, I want that one. That one's kind of cool.
Oh. There we go.
Item incompatible with current suit.
In Prime 3, her arm cannon can actually call her suit. Suit. Her ship.
Oh, nice.
Save real quick.
Always a good idea.
Because we're going to be fighting a classic boss.
Kraid!
Hi, Kraid.
No, I don't want your basket of puppies.
Come on. Too much when I'm fighting him.
Stop panicking.
He won't stop hitting me. Oh god.
Yeah, this man.
Missiles. Shit.
Grab that. Grab the health.
Oh, crap.
We will try again.
Well, that's what I get.
This time, may I suggest something?
Don't panic.
I was going to suggest an actual strategy. 2 missiles, and then firing your laser at the nails thrown at you.
Yeah.
Rinse, repeat, victory.
I don't know why the hell I got so jittery, especially since I did this without that issue, though. I'm playing on my own.
But you got this. Don't forget to grab missiles when you can.
He's done.
There we go.
Worked out better.
Yep.
We are the East. No, I'm kidding.
Nice job, man.
Thank you. And now we're here for the speed booster.
Yay, speed boost.
I groan because of the fact that this game likes to use the speed. It likes to use the speed booster.
Oh yeah.
And its sister ability, the Shine Spark.
Oh, nice. Okay, I mean, to be fair, that is pretty awesome.
Yes, it is cool.
That's awesome.
I like using it, I won't lie to you. I may have missed something here.
Perhaps.
However, I can't go back that way.
See, there you go. You get 2 whole rooms you can go into.
Okay then. The other way then. Let's see, what's down this way? There we go. Always go for a fill-up. Oh, map station, cool.
Sweet! Oh, you missed a few things. But that's okay. Good job on finding the map room.
Indeed. Just making sure. Oh. Okay, we'll go the fun way.
Nice.
Thank you. What's over there?
Let's go find out. Nice.
This game does make you use it a lot. However, I do actually enjoy using it. But the puzzles in this game are really elaborate and can kick your ass.
Yep.
It's green sperm.
Hey, Ripley.
Hi, Ridley.
Same thing. Ripley! He looks kind of like a xenomorph.
Ripley is actually the hero of Alien.
I know. I am well aware.
Ridley's the director.
Yeah, but this guy and Ripley. Yeah, but never mind.
Yes?
Don't worry about it. Nor fair.
You telling me you want to see? You telling me you want to take a look at Ripley's ripples?
What is that supposed to mean?
You mean you want to get ripped by Ripley's ripples?
Do I even want to know what the hell you're talking about?
Where do I want to go next?
Norfair.
Oh yeah, okay.
I mean, might as well. That's the place we pointed to next.
$0.20. Now, I have seen so many people. I've seen many people speedrun. I've seen many people speedrun the Metroid games, and I like this. Huh?
Anyway, you were saying you've seen many people speedrun these games, and
I'm nowhere near as good as them.
that's all right, man. We're not trying to speedrun games. We're showing people what we enjoy. Hopefully, giving them some entertainment along the way.
Yeah. Also, I've been seeing lately there's news of a Dead Rising remaster that's coming out, and
Oh yeah.
God, I'm so excited about that. However, go ahead.
Hopefully, it will fix some of the problems from Dead Rising 1.
Yeah. However, I've seen so many people say that they'll only they'll only buy or play it if it gets rid of the
timer system, which, as much as I hate the timer system, I recognize its necessity for the game, and it should not be getting rid of or gotten rid of. Nice.
Oh, shit.
Ah!
Excuse me.
I've been yawning all day long.
I've seen so many people and just talking about how much.
It's like, I'll only play a Dead Rising game if it gets rid of the thing, if it gets rid of the timer. So great, you don't want to play a Dead Rising game.
Yeah, essentially.
Ooh, high jump.
They'll only play the game or whatever, or buy it if Dead Rising gets rid of the fucking timer system. I'm just like, why? The entire game is built around that fucking timer system. Why the hell would you want to... just play a lesser game like fucking Dead Island Riptide.
Yeah.
Especially
Or if
since
you want to have fun, play Dead Island.
that has potential. But if you want to play a really, really crappy game, play its expansion, Riptide.
Yep. Like, Dead Island 1 really didn't need an expansion.
No, it didn't.
It was good enough as was.
Come on.
Oh yeah, nice. That thing was breathing.
Yes, it was. Give it a kiss.
Nope.
But either way, either you work with the game and its core mechanics, or don't play it all and play something else. You cannot. Christ.
It'd be like saying I would only play Dark Souls if it got rid of all the hard bosses.
Exactly.
Or if it got rid of all the really punishing mechanics.
Exactly.
Great, see, I don't want to play Dark Souls then.
Yeah. You cannot choose not to play a game, or you cannot say that you want a game that's not made for you to cater to you.
Yeah.
It's not your game. It's not made for you, and that's that. There's nothing wrong with that. It's fine to admit that a game is not for you. That's okay. But you don't need to beg for it to cater to you just because it has a mechanic that you don't fucking like.
Everything you just said could also be applied to any game company that is remotely even associating themselves with Sweet Baby Inc. and their woke, inclusive bullcrap.
I'm not gonna go that route, but anyway, I'm really tired of people trying to change games that they want to get into, but don't want to fucking play the fucking games or.
They don't want to play the mechanics that they don't like.
Yes.
Understandable.
Stop being entitled and learn to play a game.
Yep. Anyway.
I hate to be preachy, but as an avid Dead Rising fan, I had to say that, and I'm getting tired of fucking hearing it.
Yep.
So, on that note, folks, I will catch you guys next time.
Yep.
Oy.
Hope you enjoyed.
Yep. And I hope you enjoyed seeing me kiss Kraid's ass.
Kiss it or kick it? Because I think you did a bit of both.
No, I kissed it first and then kicked it.
Yep, see, like I said, a bit of both.
Yep.
Later.